Hi friends, welcome to the Unprofessional Coffee series. Today we're going to learn how to make coffee using the French press. Alright, so first thing you have to know is that I washed my French press with hot water because you want to preheat the French press as well as your coffee mugs. To use the French press, we need a ratio of 15 units of water for each one of coffee. After you add the hot water, you'll add your coffee. You let it sit for 4 minutes. So after our French press has been preheated, we're gonna pour the coffee in here. After your water has boiled, let it sit for about a minute. Then make sure you moist all the grounds. Yeah, you can see the coffee blooming when you do this. After you go soaking the grounds, proceed to pour the rest of the water. Let it sit for up to 4 minutes. Remember, this method will make a really rich, full-bodied coffee. Okay, friends, it's been about 4 minutes. And now, what we have to do is we have to take the plunge. This will help filter the coffee beans. Let's have some coffee.